Mbuza yazi umbuzo othi kanti ubani uMacele ngempela who's mamkhulu who's this lady onenhliziyo ende she's young, she's beautiful, she's amazing, she's business minded, and they're asking me questions ukuthi akanasi isikhwele. I want to say South Africans, yazi uMamkhulu is the most misunderstood person ever on earth, especially when the show started. The way she expresses herself, abantu babethu nonya akekho right and so on and so on. But guess what, ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi you'll be amazed once you talk to Mamkhulu. You will realize ukuthi she's good hearted. In fact, Mamkhulu, once you engage her, she reasons around your issues. The difference with her, she's a straight talker, straightforward. She doesn't fear or do any favors for anyone. But guess what? Mamkhulu rise above all circumstances and face head-on issues, which about Mseleko family, issues that has to do with the progress, with the vision, with the legacy of this family. Hence, I'm saying one was blessed. In fact, all of us, we are so blessed to have her as the first wife, to have her as the mother of our family. Guess what? She has done something beautiful so well. She said, no, Baba, I can't impose this to other wives. I will allow Umangwabe. I will give an opportunity to Mangwabe to grill you, you know. And then if you convince her, obviously Mayen is not mentioned here, but you can't just pass by Mayen and you think you have everything. Oh, Mayen, she's a smooth operator, and I know what things are going to be tough. But in Funukusho something, one of the things that have kept us so long going, she's my friend. She's amazing. Uyazi uMamkhulu uyihlulekela wena, awukwazi ukulwa naye, awukwazi ukuforce ama issues. You just allow her to engage, to interrogate you, to reason with you. In fact, I want to advise most men and women, she's a gift to all of us. If you have ama issues omshado, a bit in a relationship, engage uMamkhulu wakamseleko. Obviously, it comes at a cost, it comes at a price. But guess what? Her experience, her passion of defending marriages, she's one woman that I can guarantee that when it comes to issues of protecting and ensuring the relationships works very well. uMamkhulu, make no mistake, she will stand and defend our families. She will stand and defend our household. She will stand and defend our vision, our leaders. Obviously, she will never allow any man to just tramp on their rights and abuse women and children. She's not like that. uMamkhulu, she can't take nonsense. I'm telling you. But she will make sure that when she has to play a role of being a mother, she will become the best mother. Where she has to play a role of being a wife, she will become the best wife. Where she has to play a role of being an overseer, a custodian of culture, a protector of family values and norms, she will deliver that to you. So I'm simply saying, please guys, engage her. There are women who can give a testimony here that they've engaged her when things were so bad and serious. But guess what? They've come back and say, "Siyabonga Mamkhulu wakamseleko, you know, for talking sense to us." So she's that kind of a person. I fear nothing. I think she will preside of our family. She will make sure that our kids are grown up. She's phenomenal. She's good. She's something else. Guess what? She's my friend. Mamkhulu, she's my friend. Even if it doesn't matter, as long as she has shown the respect and making sure that my will goes. Noma ngamthatha is no longer an issue. What matters is that uMamkhulu has proven to the rest of everyone that she can be that wife, she can be a mother, she can be a custodian of this family. In fact, me Nanjango I don't have a crown to give her, but I know ukuthi my ancestors and the living God that we serve will crown her one thing today. South Africa, sanibonani siyaphila. Hey guys, let me tell you something about my end today. And one of the things ezenza ahlale esithenjini. Remember when I met her, she was very young. I don't think even she understood what lied ahead, of her. But guess what? I think she's here over 15 to 16 years. Umayeni, she's pretty beautiful, young as she was at the time. She was able to understand me. When she met me, at the time, but she was able to cope and try to understand what kind of a man I am. I remember at some point when I raised these issues with her, she said, no, Ubani, no, I can't. But guess what? She's here today. And the Siyajabula song, and we are excited ukuthi umayeni unkosikazi wakamseleko oqotho. But I think one of the things ezenze akwazi ukuhlala kahle, she's able to reason, alalele, and then raise her issues. And umayeni is one person who will raise issues sharply, without fear or favor. She would engage me openly. She would ask questions, adding certain answers. When you might think she would not raise those issues, and then to surprise, she would raise those issues. In fact, what has given her more strength is her ability to question and try to understand whether are you serious or are you genuine about these things. And I think her ability as well of trying to gel and accept probable things, they are very hard. Which most beggar, you might say, hey, this is they are not easy. But another thing, she's a very quiet somebody. She doesn't talk too much. But masekhuluma yo kuyafika, but not in a bad way, in a way that she would want to engage you and understand. But ezinye izinto ezijabulisayo ngaye ukuthi she does things at the level makuziwa ey'nganeni zakhe noma kuma responsibilities or other things. She's number one there. You can't falter her. And Umayeni, I think she's more firm than myself in how we should be raising kids. She's got that strength. It's hidden inside her. And when she opens her heart, she will open her heart completely. But guess what? Let me tell you something else. You can't do anything about it. And when she takes a position about someone, she will stand firm. It doesn't matter whether ubani uthini kuyena, but uma ngabe ekholelwa kulento akholelwa kuyona yiwo uzoma and ngeke uzomshintsha. But guess what? I think she has done us proud, and uzowuthola umqhele wakhe because of the way she has carried herself. I think siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi sibe naye, and we are excited. Angikhulume ngalo muntu wami lo angithi niyambona lo Mangwabe, a very quiet someone. uMangwabe uzokumangaza uyathula but mawumnikeza umsebenzi hawo nozokudlalela uzowenza, and she's she gives her best, she commits herself. Kodwa moke wamthinta naphambana lapho kuyobe konakela ukumbuyisela umtshela ukuthi no Mangwabe come back, is another story. But angikho ke lapho, you know where I am. I'm here just to appreciate her, for being in part and parcel of the Mseleko family. Mangwabe, she has been around over 10 to 11 years now with the Mselekos, and she has been able to adapt and learn things. I remembered sometime she never thought she was going to marry esithenjini. Athi mina Mthombeni angiphela niyamazi uMangwabe menyathelo uyaqhenya, intokazi ezithandayo and wenza zonke izinto. But I think her wisdom, you understand what kind of a man I am, what kind of a family she's in, and that in itself has made sure ukuthi uMangwabe doesn't lose focus. She makes sure ukuthi she delivers what is expected from her. The mere fact that as a person, as a wife, she has been able to make sure contribution yakhe iyaziwa. Okunye ningakwazi ngayo yazi uMangwabe she can sing uMangwabe, and okunye ningakwazi ngayo she can talk as well. That is why kuthiwa easy beyicebile zishona kakhulu, you know, still waters they run too deep, and she's that kind of a person. But ungamsukela mokwamsukela yo leo bhubha nawe. So I'm simply saying it's exciting to find a person of her character, because her character has made sure that one understand different dynamics, and one understand to manage different types of people and live amongst that. But I guess her abilities and strength, you know, uMangwabe's got a very strong character, monganakile ungazumthathe, you know, ngo size 10 kanti yo uzokukhombisa ukuthi no akudlalwa la. But what is exciting about him is to make sure that she fulfills and complement everyone okhona lana in ensuring ukuthi sonke we are building this family because we are making sure when it comes to her kids, angabulala umuntu, I'm telling you, feed dead nya finish when it comes to her kid. And she loves her kids, and she makes sure ukuthi usifundisa proper family values and norms and standard. Makuthiwa wenziwe homework uzothi hey Mthombeni, where are you, wenziwe homework? Ngithi Nkosi yami ngangiyifunda phi isibalo mina, niyayibona nje nami kuyona indoda yesibalo le unzima, kodwa guess what, siyapusha, but we are excited ukuthi she's part and parcel of our wonderful family. And big ups to you Mangwabe, siyabonga kakhulu, asiphusheni bafowethu, uyazi indlela yinde, sisafuna ingane mpela. Bantu baseningizimu Afrika, is my greatest pleasure today ukuthi izokhuluma nje kafushane ngoMakhumalo Mseleku otholakala lapha kuyiGagas na kuyiVuma FM. Uzokhuluma ngezinto zothando. Ezinye zezinto, one of the other things ezenza uMakhumalo survive and stay long la emshadweni wesithembu sakaMseleku, it's her spirit, it's her courage. You know, when she came here, when she joined the Mseleku family, she was only 18 at the time, and then now she's over, I think, 29. In fact, next month is her birthday. It's her birthday month, uMakhumza, and I like the way I celebrate ngayo birthday yakhe. It tells the kind of a person awuyena uMakhumalo. She decided to celebrate her with schools where she was studying, schooling 2 schools and other community members who are in need, where she will be giving clothes, books, and other things for teaching purposes. But that is exciting. And as a person akanazo ingane, but guess what, unothando ne willingness yokuthi ayonikela ngesikhathi sakhe, ayonikelela ingane eyidingayo. That is amazing, and we are excited about him. In fact, the best gift that we can give uMakhumalo, all of us, since we love her so much, is the gift of ensuring ukuthi laba baneyingane, we love our kids, we nurture them well, we teach them the best things, values and other things. And bese ukuthi laba balahla ingane, please don't do that. Remember, sinabantu abanjengoMakhumalo who would love to have kids but they can't, not because it's their choice, but God, the man above, you know, hasn't given them, you know, that. So I'm simply saying the best gift that we can give uMakhumalo is to make sure that we look after our babies, is to make sure that as he laughing and as he should be excited about that. But let alone about that. In fact, now if I was able to go and buy and get a baby for Umakhumalo, I will do that. But unfortunately, the best that I can do is to make sure that I support her in the good cause of ensuring that she supports other people and other members of our community. La ephuma khona ngabakhohlwa abantu bakhona siyabonga kakhulu Umakhumalo. But ngithi ke kunina yazi Umakhumalo uyathumeka. She's that kind of a person whom you can rely upon, a person who would not disappoint you. If you give her a task, she will deliver it. I think her good heart, she's free-spirited person. She does, wonderful things. Umakhumalo uzokumangaza, she's so talented. Her ability of accepting her situation, my daughter, her situation, and live with it. Yazi ukufike nami la ngikhona ngithi uzongifaka enkingeni lena. Kodwa kufike la ngikhona ngithi Makhumalo bafowethu, let me exempt her kulento yokuthi aluke zama mfethu ethi ufuna ingane. Please bafowethu usezobhlungu obuningi. So let me exempt her. In fact, it's not even me. Angithi niyazi God and the ancestors akubona abazange bamnikeze leyo opportunity. So let me not be hard on her. Let me accept her as she is. Let me support her. Let me love her. Let me make sure ukuthi all other areas where she's good, where she's excelling, we are there to support her and make sure ukuthi she wins all the time. But guess what? Umakhumalo, she's a unifier amongst the Mseleku family. Come what may, you will find her there pushing, making sure the task is delivered, up to the T. And I think that is what gives her more strength and power to do things. But I think again, uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi emakha knew ukuthi Umakhumalo uzoba kwifamily efana nale uzoba kulesi simo esifana nalesi. The best that we can do as South Africans, let us love our kids, let us support those kids, and let us make sure ukuthi in her name we give. Next month is her birthday, and ngiyazi ukuthi impintshana uzobe push, uzobe dlala ngampela, and extending her heart laziwa ngayo abathanda abantwana wenza yonke into. Bafowethu ukube bengikwazi mina ngabe ngimlandela 10 more. Uzothatha blo 10 ehlambe awuthi ngayi lapho no uthi ngayi kodwa ngithi into engiyithanda kakhulu yokuthi my family and the rest, they've accepted, they are giving her support. She's one of us. She's not discriminated. She has no pressure. But guess what? Umakhumalo herself wenza kube so easy, and that is one of the reasons ehleli la ipusha and nathi sigcwele ngayo emakhumsi sigcwele ngayo impintshana. Lalela ke ngesisho lutho thina bakhona vele abazokunika leyo mpahla betata.
Hello good people, uMseleku nje uyayithandela bandla amakhosikazi wakhe, uyawathanda nje wonke. Vele ke angeke size sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani behind the scenes. Singabona nje lokho abafuna sikubone ku reality show, but nje uyayithandela nje uMseleku amakhosikazi wakhe, and nawo ayamthanda for the fact ukuthi nje solo kubangena kekho ophumile. Lokho kusho ukuthi kukhona okuhle okwenzakalayo behind the scenes abangasibonisi kona ku reality show. Asazi ke ukuthi basazolanywa after number 5 cause amahlebezi nje athi ngenzeka number 6 usendleleni. Indaba yesithembu inzima, like nje uma umuntu osifazana ufuna ukungena esithembini kumele ube strong. Kumele nje ube strong hayi kancane, nendoda nje efuna ukuba nesithembu kumele ibe strong cause sonke siyayibuka reality show yothando nesithembu siyabona ukuthi ziyabuya lapha ya. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.